Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are here with again our general knowledge. So, take your book, pencil, all the material, and now open your book, page number 15. That is our today's lesson number 10. Find us parking. Okay, so see, in this lesson you are having some pictures of different vehicles. Do you like these vehicles? Do you like traveling? Yes. So for traveling at different places, at different types, we need different vehicles. Okay, and a specific place to park this vehicle. So for that, a specific name is there for each and every vehicle, for each and every parking place. Particular name of that place from where we can park this particular vehicle. Okay, so see this, there are specific names for the places where these vehicles are parked. Okay, different vehicles are given and one help box is given which is having some names of parking places. Okay, and from that we have to find out a particular parking place for a particular vehicle. Okay, so write the correct name from the options at the bottom. Okay, so see the first one. Which is this vehicle? Can you tell the name? Read that name. Name is given already. Yes, this is metro. Do you like to travel from metro? Yes. So, where we can park this metro? The name of parking place for metro is, yes, Metro Depot. Okay. So, there only we can park this metro, and the name of that parking place is Metro Depot. So write down there Metro Depot. METRO DEPOT. Metro Depot. See the second one. Which is this vehicle? Yes, this is ship. Do you like? Yes. No. So the place which where we can park this ship is anchorage. What we can say for that place? Okay, the name of that place is anchorage. Okay, write down ANCHORAGE, that is anchorage. Okay, see the third one. Okay, I think this vehicle you like the most. Am I right? Yes, that is aeroplane. Okay. So where we can park this aeroplane? At our house? No. Then okay, so name of this parking place is airport apron. Okay, so we can park, or they can park, pilot can park their aeroplane at airport only. Okay, and the name of that place is airport apron. Got it? Yes. So now next is train. Yes, as like metro, where we can park our train? Yes, the name of place is, yes, train shed. They can park the train at only train shed. Okay, write down there. TRAINSHAD. Okay. Yes. See the fifth one. That is cycle, or we can say bicycle. Okay. So where we can park this cycle? Okay, we can park this cycle at our home also. But if you are taking this outside, then there is one place to park this cycle. So what is the name of that place? Yes, that is cycle stand. Okay. Yes. So we should have to park our cycle in cycle stand only. Okay. Yes. See the sixth one. Bus. Okay. All of you know this vehicle. Yes, and this place also where we can park this bus. Yes, the name of this place is bus depot, or we can say bus stand. But the best bus depot is the perfect name of that particular place. Got it? Yes. See the seventh one. Fire engine. Have you seen this vehicle? Yes. That is fire extinguishers using this vehicle. Okay. So where we can park this fire engine? Yes, at fire station. Okay. So a place where we can park this vehicle, that is fire station. Okay. Next one is yes, as like cycle, we can park, or we are having a parking place at our home also. But if we are going outside with this car, then there is a place which or where we have to park our vehicle. Okay, so that is called as garage. Okay. Yes, so write down there GARAGE. Okay? Yes, garage. And the last one, rickshaw. Do you know where we can park this rickshaw? What is the name of that place? Yes, that is rickshaw stand. You can find the rickshaw stand anywhere at your village or in your village. Okay, so these are all places or names of places where we can park this particular vehicle. Got it? Yes. So you have to write each and every name of place, and after writing this you have to click one photo and you have to attach that photo to the Google form. Got it? Okay. So after this we are having one revision exercise, but that revision exercise will take in next session. Got it? Okay. Till that, stay at home and stay safe.